Hello agus fáilte go dtí now you're talking. In this programme, we'll add to the vocabulary we've already learned to do with an teaghlach, the family. We'll also recap on some words and phrases that we covered earlier in the series. We'll start off with an teaghlach, the family.
Dálach, Kenche. Agóna, go dtí mat éite.
Tá go mai agus tú hen.
Go bre, cé seo?
Seo hamach, Jack.
Nuairn go dtí mat éite.
Go mai go mai good.
Cé seo?
Seo man nín síle.
Cé sin? Sin mehé?
Dim taisif.
Cé sin?
Smó ahead.
Did you remember them all? Mac, son, Nian, daughter, Ahar, father, and Mahar, mother. And the questions were, Cé seo, who's this? And Cé sin, who's that? When there's more than one person involved, we ask, Cé hiad seo, who are these? Or Cé hiad sin, who are they?
Céad seo? Seo má dhéartha. Cdé mar taisih go maigad a maigad. Agus céad seo? Seo má dhéartha Orla agus Marie.
Jetaraha, brothers. Jetaraha. Jerfaraha, sisters. Jerfaraha. Mo Yetaraha, my brothers. Mo Yetaraha. Mo Yerfaraha, my sisters. Mo Yerfaraha.
Here are some more scenes with Jaharacha and Jirafaracha.
Is mu dine dearfra ha fáil?
Go mar taisih, is me sé céaran. Seo má dhearthar Angus. Is mu dine dearthar a ha Barbara.
Feiciltí, sin fála. Sé go tíra. Céad sin dearthar a Hacklín.
Céad sin?
Sin Jirafaracha Yaraj. Sin Jirafaracha Yaraj. They're Gaeilge's sisters. Sin Jaharacha Cachlín. They're Cachlín's brothers. Smudinne Jaharacha Barbara. We're Barbara's brothers. Smudinne Jirafaracha Fall. We're Paul's sisters. Listen again.
Is mu dine dearfra ha fáil?
Go mar taisih, is me sé céaran. Seo má dhearthar Angus. Is mu dine dearthar a ha Barbara.
Feiciltí, sin fála. Sé go tíra. Céad sin dearthar a Hacklín.
Céad sin?
Sin Jirafaracha Yaraj. In the Ulster dialect, grandfather is Ahar Mór and grandmother is Mahar War. So therefore, my grandfather is Mahar Mór and my grandmother Mahar War.
Seo má éarmór agus seo má bhathmór.
Go dtí mar taisih.
Go mai.
Seo me mór.
Agus mis má mhór hamáis.
Agus cé seo?
Is me sé bhín cara le Thomas.
Mahar Mór and Mahar War. Let's watch those again.
Seo má éarmór agus seo má bhathmór.
Go dtí mar taisih.
Go mai.
Seo me mór.
Agus mis má mhór hamáis.
Agus cé seo?
Ahar mór. Grandfather. Ahar mór. Mahar War. Grandmother. Mahar War. Mahar Mór. My grandfather. Mahar Mór. Mahar War. My grandmother. Mahar War.
In Irish you'll also hear Shanahar and Shanwahar for grandfather and grandmother. Mahanahar, my grandfather. Mahanwahar, my grandmother. Have a look at this example.
Seo Mahanaher agus Mahanwaher.
It's Conor Ogg's birthday in Ballamore, and Deirdre has forgotten all about it. Look out for Brontanis, a present, Breitla, birthday, and Rin Majaramud, I forgot.
Conor, ten Jeffrey weg to Mama.
Gudishin? Brontanis?
Tá breitla Conor an you.
Oh yeah, and Jayula, Rin Majarmid.
Tá ten am go leor. Ní an chóir an gotí seaartachlog.
Mai go leor awami. Check me through. Breitla solid de Jahanar. Could you be wild of my Brontanis?
Oh, but while I'm Lee Roach.
With the kinche?
Ta, let the home.
Mai go leor. Chief me through a seaartachlog.
Navi Mal.
Slán go fóil.
A Yeardra. But while I'm Super Mario Brothers.
Cata go dín céthar. Brontanis Honor.
Oh, cé seo? Tá Jenny Junior do dheardra nachta go sé.
Oh, an jazz fad.
Dá me jaartar óg ó de dhearra for áling Deirdre. Tá bro a bhíhain! Go dtí mar teta?
Go mai, bhfuil a cup of coffee.
Báid cinnte.
Ceas go leor.
So far we've covered Jadaracha, Jirafaracha, Aharmore and Maharwar. In the next scenes you'll hear Uncle and Auntie.
Kishan.
Oh, sin Uncle Smanchin.
Hello? Care to read dog quick? Oh, Auntie Nora. Fun bummachu. Wami, Auntie Nora are fun.
Oh my god. Dimmer Tesha. Oh, come on.
Kishan.
Shin my Uncle Michal.
Monkel, my uncle. Manchin, my aunt.
Kishan.
Oh, sin Uncle Smanchin.
Hello? Care to read dog quick? Oh, Auntie Nora. Fun bummachu. Wami, Auntie Nora are fun.
Oh my god. Dimmer Tesha. Oh, come on.
Kishan.
Shin my Uncle Michal. Uncle. Anchin. Aunt. Anchin. Munkle, my uncle. Munkle. Manchin, my aunt. Manchin.
Let's test ourselves now. See if you can understand everything that's happening in the following scenes.
Seo Sheila agus a Jirafra. Is me sin muir híle. Is tusa haar mór híle. Agus is tusa Anchin híle.
Agus bhfuil uncle agad. Tá uncle Wanya gom uncle Muirchin. Cóil se gobi. Tá se gobi náfic. Agus bhfuil Anchin agad. Tá Birch, Auntie Muirin agus Auntie Grania. Cóil se de gobi. Tá Muirin gobar sa bhála agus sa Grania gobi I mag.
Seo Mehermór.
Agus Mr. Mahawar Hamas.
Agus cé seo?
Is me sé bhín cara le Thomas.
While of cup of tea?
Níor wai gur maigad.
Cté mata Uncle Padraig agus Auntie Breed.
Teisha go mai.
Cóis de gobrinis.
Teisha de gobi and Monica and the Cannon.
You heard an extra few words and sentences there that we covered in an earlier programme. Gaeilge de gobber. Where are they working? In Offig, in an office. Sawala, at home. In Monk, in a bank. In Monarcha, in a factory. Some Irish place names contain numbers as part of their names, and Antrim is one of them. Antrim means single habitation or one holding, Ian being the word for one or single. Some of the other numbers that exist in place names are dó, 2, trí, 3, caru, a quarter, and Gaeilge, a fifth. Listen for them in the following place names.
Glanda Loch, Valley of Two Lakes. Trilliac, Three Stones. Caru Riv, Black Hughes Quarter. Gaeilge Ullu, Gaeilge Lion. Gaeilge Moon. Gaeilge Chonacht.
The provinces are called Gaeilge, fifths, even though there's only 4 of them. This is because Leinster used to be 2 provinces. In Annalach and the Maestri, the Annals of the Four Masters, reference is made to the Aintriv monastic settlement, which was here at Tuaircrin Aintrima, the Round Tower of Antrim, or the steeple as it's known locally. It was in towers like these that the monks used to hide with their valuables during Viking raids and wait until their attackers had gone. This is all that remains of the Aintriv monastic settlement, which occupied this site for centuries until it was destroyed in 1147. In this next scene, we'll hear the words for husband and wife, Farcéile and Banchéile.
Oh, hallo, Jane. Wie dimmer tijd u?
Gur maigad. Agus tú héin.
Gepré, gur maigad. Seo brian, maar Gaeilge.
Dimmer tijd tú. Seo aine má Banchéile. Dimmer tijd tú.
Gur maigad.
Farcéile, husband, Banchéile, wife. Let's watch some more examples.
Geraldine, Jim Tatu. Go gur maigad a bhríd seo cíarn mar Gaeilge. Jim Tatu.
Go gur maigad.
Ó níomh go Jimmer táú.
Go gur maigad.
Seo ífa má Banchéile.
Ah, it's pasta.
Tá, fás mí just áir seo caite.
Cúthar jazz.
Gur maigad.
Ah, Jermut, dimmer tijd u?
Go gur maigad. Seo má Banchéile sinnéad.
Banchéile. Wife. Banchéile. Ma Banchéile. My wife. Ma Banchéile. Farcéile. Husband. Farcéile. Marcéile. My husband. Marcéile.
In a moment we'll work on counting years, but first an important question. Ginny Shatatu, what age are you? Genie tattoo.
Genie tattoo.
Gdéní se tá sé.
Gdéní se tá sé. Gdéní se tá sé.
Genie tattoo. What age are you? Genie tattoo. What age is he? Genie tattoo. What age is she? Genie tattoo. What age are they? Listen again.
Gdéní se tá sé.
Gdéní se tá sé. Gdéní se tá sé.
Genie tattoo.
Kajini Shatatu. What age are you? Kajini Shatatu.
Let's listen now to the Connacht and Munster versions of Genie tattoo.
Tanta Guinness Ladel.
Genie show.
A híle Constanto.
Come on. Oh, Gaeilge.
Blian is the Irish word for year, and counting years is a little different to counting people. We'll start with 1 to 6. Blian is a year. Yev blian, Trí bliana, Kira bliana, Cuig bliana, Sé bliana. We'll go back to the last scenes where people were being asked Genie tattoo, but this time the answers will be included.
Genie tattoo. Tá me quick yama.
Gdéní se tá sé.
Tá sé blianta is.
Gdéní se tá sé.
Tá sí trí bliana.
Gdéní se tá sé. Brídin éhblian agus tá colm sé bliana.
Blian, Yev blian, Trí bliana, Kira bliana, Cuig bliana, Sé bliana. You also heard Dísh of age. Tá sé blian dísh.
Genie tattoo. Tá me quick yama.
Gdéní se tá sé.
Tá sé blianta is.
Gdéní se tá sé.
Tá sí trí bliana.
Gdéní se tá sé. Brídin éhblian agus tá colm sé bliana.
Blian. 1 year. Blian. Yevlian. 2 years. Yevlian. Trí bliana. 3 years. Trí bliana. Kera bliana. 4 years. Kera bliana. Cuig bliana. 5 years. Cuig bliana. Sé bliana. 6 years. Sé bliana.
7 years, 8 years, 9 years and 10 years are slightly different. Seach mbliana, 8 mbliana, 9 mbliana, 10 mbliana. Listen carefully to these examples.
Gdéní se tattoo.
Shark nyama.
Gdéní se tá sé.
8 bliana.
Genie tattoo. Art nyan dish genie tattoo. Name Liana.
Cáine matáth.
Paul.
Cinú se tattoo.
Jim Liana.
Seach mbliana, 8 mbliana, 9 mbliana, 10 mbliana.
Cáine matáth.
Paul.
Cinú se tattoo.
Jim Liana. Genie tattoo. Art nyan dish genie tattoo. Name Liana.
Gdéní se tá sé.
8 bliana.
Gdéní se tattoo.
Shark nyama.
Shacht mliana. 7 years. Shacht mliana. 8 mliana. 8 years. 8 mliana. 9 mliana. 9 years. 9 mliana. 10 mliana. 10 years. 10 mliana.
Before moving on, let's revise counting people.
Dunne. Birch. Struer. Catterer. Quigger. Shesher. Shachter. Octor. Neener. Jenner.
Shan is really looking forward to dinner with Deirdre. but will she remember to turn up? Here are a few things to look out for. Milche, spoilt, Scrivener, a writer, and Arwailat Kudju. Would you like some help?
Tá breithe mé dhearthair an inniu.
Go dé níos sé se?
Tá sé déim níana.
Scibh daine a saláán?
Tá burte goon. Búhuiil bhhain agus cailín bhhain. Is tú héin?
Tá trúra goon. Me héin agus burt dhearafratha. Is mis an daine záige.
Tá tú millte marsin.
Tá cinse an ceart agad. Is doctor iad me dhearafratha. Tá sé do gobar America. Agus is doctor é methir fásta.
Agus tú bhair?
Mhair? Is scrínear mels an búnaí.
Ó, tá sin go hénta. Tá sé leithne chuig, caiim mar bronta nas chánar an.
Arwailat Kudju?
Bhai cinnte.
Roll on a séachlach.
Abadan.
Well, acrasart. Arwailat Junior?
Junior, ní híglam. Tá sé séachlog.
Go dé a car?
Caiim meach tá máil, tá má chola cóisiir hánar. Tífa má tú?
Cinse. I maira?
Cearcadóir, Amara. Slán. Ceatún é sé. Tá máil an Junior.
Well, Shinjirulia Clarala, that's the end of another programme. Next time we'll learn the words and phrases you need to describe your daily routine. Gajishan, Slán.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Jeharaha,
Jerafaraha.
Ahar Mór,
Maharwor.
Anchin,
Uncle.
Farkele,
Banchele.
Kajini Shitatu,
Blian.
Yevlien,
Trí bliana.
Kerabliana,
Cuig bliana.
Shebliana,
Seacht mbliana.
Ochtmliana,
Ní mbliana.
Gemliana.